Thanks for your interest in the 370Z convertible. Check it out. Just took this car in on trade. It is in our wholesale lot, so this vehicle is being sold the way it sits. With 127,000 miles on anything that's over 100,000 miles is sold that way. Good looking car. Nice BFGs all the way around. Check out the inside. Bose stereo system, manual transmission, big display, WeatherTech mats, full power buckets, heated and cooled seats. Push button start. Got your gauges, S mode. Great looking car for the money. Real nice sound. We don't see sticks too often, so they usually go pretty quick. If you'd like to know more, give me a call, 800-642-1566. Thank you.